Step-by-step guide on how you can use Zego with Uber Eats. First, you want to sign up for Uber Eats. If you're not already a driver, you want to apply and get a driver account. The second step will be downloading the Zego app. You want to get the Zego app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And the next step will be choosing the right Zego plan. There is a pay-as-you-go, ideal if you deliver part-time plan. And also there is a monthly plan, good if you deliver full-time or regularly. It covers you continuously for a fixed rate. You want to connect Zego with Uber Eats. Zego automatically tracks your delivery time on Uber Eats. When you start delivering, your insurance activates. It stops when you finish. Then you will just begin delivering as you would normally. When you go online to deliver with Uber Eats, Zego will automatically start your insurance so you're covered while working. Manage your plan. You can track your insurance, hours worked, and payments in the Zego app. And that's basically how you use Zego with Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.